What's going on, YouTube? Back at it with another video. Well, I'm on my way to my homie's house. We're about to go and scout out some areas, see what spots look best to go drifting at. It's a clean little Honda. But see what's the best spots to go drifting, swing some donuts. Let's get some practicing, because we know how to do donuts, but we don't know how to drift for real. So. Change of plans. I forgot to film when we went to go went to go look for spots, because I'm a dumbass, but my steering wheel came in, so this is a steering wheel to get put together. So fuck yeah, let's get to it. I'm gonna go to the park and have my homies help me, because I don't know how to do shit.
Great. Now I gotta fucking.
What do you gotta do?
Yes, I gotta guess. I gotta play fucking Family Feud.
I gotta play Family Feud with this bitch. That's the one.
No, it's not. That's the one.
Tried to tell you, Pop. Tried to tell him, mijo.
Tell him. Circle's not on.
How could you forget the circle?
I didn't. Diego did.
We call that the donut.
You need the donuts to do donuts.
Do we really?
No.
Just got it off. Hold on. There you go. Oh, just got it. There you go. Pretty nice.
All you gotta do is smack it.
Mid-condition.
You just gotta smack it. Smack it with a couple of these.
That's all you need. Oh, yeah. We're getting somewhere. Let them know, mijo. Unfortunately, we can't get the horn, but who cares? We don't need it. Find out like that.
I had to sacrifice it.
Oh, yeah.
Oh, yeah.
I don't know how to do this. We have no clue how to do it.
Fucking got it. I missed it. How'd you take that off? You just hit the bend?
Yeah. So. Yeah. Hold up. Push the button. Then you push it on. Oh, wait. What? Oh, I just got it on. I didn't have to spin it that time. I guess you... let me get a spin going.
I don't think you pushed it in. I think you just put it in there.
I had to push it in the first time. Because if you don't push it in, then it doesn't go on all the way. And I was demonstrating. There we go. We got it on.
So you do it back up. That bitch looking nice. Very nice and simple. On. Nice and simple. On. Nice, simple. Winning, boy. Appreciate you. Currently putting some gas in. If y'all seen my last video, y'all see that shit gives me trouble. But we're about it. Y'all see it's fucking raining? We outside. Y'all know what that means. New steering wheel on. We're about to go slice some shit. Let's go. See that?
Tell them what you're about to do, Julian.
We're about to slice some shit. Y'all know what's going on. Get it. Ooh, this bitch is smooth. here, I did not crash. I hit the brakes and I literally parked it. I'm kind of mad my homie didn't keep recording, but I don't blame him. He probably thought we were going to crash. But yeah, back to the video. Y'all see what the fuck going on, boy? Getting shit started, you feel me? My nigga Diego going stupid though.
Oh yeah.
Fast. Back in. We'll be outside. She almost caught on fire or something. Yeah, on the bottom.
On your side.
Stay back a little, I will.
Mustang.
Those engines caught on fire, he's still back out. That shit sounds so amazing. Listen to it when it comes close. You hear that fucking whine? Hell that shit. Taking it inside the pit with it. Woo-hoo! You're the only one out here going wide. mad niggas blowing shit. Niggas got scared and dipped. They ain't even like, literally it was just one guy honking. What the fuck? Now they're going to another spot, and that spot I had to ditch my car right there one time, and that's not the best. I'm debating on going, but fuck it, we're outside. We outside. Right, we're on to the next spot. Gonna have to bust this shit real quick. Got here, my shit started getting loose after swinging a little. But fuck it, typical. But we outside with it. What the fuck is that, Cuddy?
Not your rubber.
Fuck you. Ooh, oh hell no! Outside. He knows when it's starting to not lock up. Look. Cops just came. I didn't get it on film, but wow, to that spot we're going. That shit's been dead honestly already, but fuck it, we're about to go back to, I guess, the neighborhoods and just cruise around, swing some shit. About to go sliding, because I promised these two niggas I would go sliding for them. Nigga's a little bitch. We just killed this shit. Fuck this nigga. He got nobody. Look where he's mobbing.
Look at that motherfucker.
Well, yeah, he's in
Hey,
that
hey,
mother.
bro, we'll go drive to the furthest city we could, and guess who?
On God. On God. That shit will make it there. This bitch, maybe not, maybe. Hey, she's been some places, though.
No cap, no cap.
SF, El Dorado Hills, Sac, cool shit, little drips. We're about done for the day. Shit was cool.